Hello guys, welcome back to Good Share Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to hide badges on taskbar icons in your Windows 11 and how we can do this up. So let's dive into this. So in order to just have to go over here in the taskbar over here, blank space, you just right click and go to taskbar settings. Now from here what you have to do is you just have to over here just have to click on taskbar behavior over here. Click on this one, and as you can see we have an option called show badges, right? So you just have to click on this one so that it will go, and I'll keep this. So you can do this, you can either make it, you can unhide badges on taskbar, you have to follow the same instruction, or else you just have to hide it. So when you keep on show badges, unread message counter on taskbar app will not be receiving anything, so you just have to do it like this. So this is how we can do this up. So I'll keep the same because I need this and I prefer this. So this is how you can do this up, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.